Hi guys, in this lecture I want to talk about images optimization. I want to talk about the three core elements of images optimization. Those are the image file name, the image alt attribute, and the image size. Now I want to show you a solid proof that Google actually begging us to optimize our images. Okay, so this is the first source. This is a PDF from Google. You can search it yourself. Search Engine Optimization Starter Guide. I'll click here and I will scroll to page 19. As you can see, Google says use brief but descriptive file names and alt tags. Okay, so this is the first proof about file names and alt tags. Now the second proof is talking about the image size. So this is a source in Google developers that they say reduce the file size. So basically, what is an alt tag and what is the file name and why do we need to reduce the file size? Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Let's start from the alt tag. Okay, so this is a basic image element. It says image source, and that is the source or the path of your image on your website, puppy.jpg. And this is the alt tag. So the alt tag is basically an alternative name for your image. It means that if for some reason the image has not been loading into your website, your users will see the alt tag instead, the alt attribute. And for search engines, which is more relevant for us, for search engines, they look at this alt tag and this is how they know what your image is talking about. Because search engines can't really understand images. They need you to write down what the image is talking about. So this is what we write an alt tag. The alt tag should be descriptive but not that long. You see this example they give? Image source puppy alt puppy. This is not really good alt tag. Why? Because puppy is a very general alt attribute. We need something more specific to our image, like this one, Dalmatian puppy playing fetch. It explains better what the image is talking about. And if you have keywords to implement inside of your alt tag, they'll be even better. Keywords that you know that people are searching for. And you'll know why in few minutes. Let's move into reducing the file size. Okay, so this is tiny PNG. It says tiny PNG, but you can actually reduce the size of PNG or JPG files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how easy it is to reduce an image size. This is an image of a white laptop. The size is 67 kilobytes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop this here and look at this. 68 kilobytes turned into 30 kilobytes. We saved 55%. Okay, so what you should do is basically just download the new image and that's it. You have no reducing the quality of the image. You just reduced the file size. That's it. And why do we do it? Okay, so Google is really all about page speed now because page speed affects users. If it takes too long for your page to load, your user will probably get frustrated. It might bounce. It might get out of the website. So what Google wants, they want you to optimize your images in order to create the best performance for your users. This is why you optimize your images and this is why you reduce the file size. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how do we implement all these core elements of images optimization into a website. Okay, so this is WordPress, but actually what I'm going to do works perfectly fine with any other CMS, which is a content management system. So you can use any CMS you are using right now, even if it's WordPress or another one, it works exactly the same. So I'm going to add media. I'm adding this image now. This is the image attribute we saw earlier before. And now, this is the alt tag. Do you see this? Alt, white laptop. But white laptop is actually a pretty general one. What I want to do is I want to change it to white laptop on grass. This is more descriptive one. This is an alt tag that more describes what our image is about. So now I want to save this draft, not forgetting the importance of a descriptive file name, whitelaptop.jpg. Here it is. Here is our fully optimized image in my website. How do I check if everything is fine? So I see the image, the size is only 30 KB, and now I'm clicking the right button of my mouse, inspect element on Chrome, and now you see the image attribute right here, and you can see the alt tag is white laptop on grass. That's it. Your alt tag is perfectly fine. Google can easily understand what the image is about. So, what is the result of all this? The result is now that if someone is searching for a white laptop online, it might see your image right here on Google Images. They'll search for white laptop, they'll go to Google Images, and now we have a huge chance for our image to be in Google Images, ranked high in the search result. And if it ranked high on the search result in Google Images, someone that searched for a white laptop can click our image, go into our website, and buy our white laptop. So this is it, guys. This is what you have to do in order to optimize and fully optimize all the images on your website. First of all, it creates an amazing user experience. Your site is loading much faster. All images are fully optimized, and Google can actually read and understand what your images are all about and rank you higher in search results. And you can get more traffic from Google Images. So that's it for images optimization. Let's move on to the next lecture.